GPT-4 is a powerful AI language model, transforming the world of copywriting. It generates human-like text and offers endless applications in content creation. By mastering this AI tool, you can improve your writing skills and deliver high-quality texts. This efficiency attracts clients and increases income potential. Harness GPT in copywriting to unlock lucrative opportunities. The copywriting landscape has witnessed a significant shift with the advent of AI tool, a cutting-edge language model by OpenAI. As an essential tool for copywriters aspiring to earn online, this article delves into the various approaches to produce superior copies using GPT, as well as gauging the possible earnings from utilizing this advanced technology. A crucial tactic when employing ChatGPT entails comprehending your target audience's preferences and requirements. Providing pertinent details about your target market, such as demographics, interests, and pain points, allows the AI model to create more tailored content that resonates with readers. One should also use prompts effectively when crafting. A well-designed prompt directs the AI towards generating content in line with your goals while maintaining accuracy and relevance in its results. Experimentation with different prompts enables you to discover what works best for particular projects or niches. For web content or blog posts containing GPT-generated text, SEO optimization is essential. Incorporating keywords organically into your created content increases search engine visibility like Google while ensuring user readability. To guarantee top-quality generated copies using this amazing technology, always proofread before publishing or submitting them as final work. Editing any grammatical mistakes or inconsistencies maintains professionalism in your writing services. To kick off, it's vital for any freelance copywriter to find clients. The initial step involves pinpointing your target market, which may include small businesses, startups, or even well-established companies seeking a fresh take on their content strategy. Once you've determined your desired audience, begin investigating potential clients within that specific niche. LinkedIn and Upwork are examples of online platforms that provide excellent resources for discovering projects and connecting with potential clients. Develop an eye-catching profile highlighting your GPT-4 copywriting expertise and any prior work samples. It's important to underscore how AI-driven tools can enable businesses to conserve time and resources while still maintaining top-notch output. Another method for displaying your portfolio and drawing in potential clients is by constructing your own personal website or blog. Publish informative articles on the advantages concerning content creation, persuasiveness enhancement, and increased engagement for businesses. Moreover, networking is crucial when it comes to expanding your client base. Participate in industry events or engage with online communities where business owners convene to discuss their requirements or exchange opportunities. One method is to determine an hourly rate or a fixed price per project. Alternatively, you might consider charging based on word count or the quantity of pieces produced. Investigate industry norms and competitors' pricing to create a competitive fee structure for your services. In the end, your estimated income hinges on various factors such as the number of clients you serve, their budgets, and their work volume. As a rough calculation, if you charge $50 per hour and work 20 hours weekly using ChatGPT for copywriting tasks, this would amount to an income of $1,000 weekly or $4,000 monthly. To sum up, making money from your copywriting talents entails securing clients who appreciate AI-driven content creation's value and setting competitive rates that take into account your expertise level and project specifications. By leveraging platforms like LinkedIn and Upwork along with networking in relevant communities within your niche market sector, you'll be well on track towards establishing a thriving business as a ChatGPT copywriter.